LISC was founded by the Ford Foundation and several corporations to provide capital, expertise, and support for local leaders and community-based nonprofits. We work with community residents to transform distressed neighborhoods into healthy and sustainable communities of choice and opportunity. These are good places to work, do business, and raise children. LISC mobilizes corporate, government, and philanthropic support to provide local community development organizations with resources. Our role is to provide financial support as well as technical and management assistance to nonprofit organizations in the neighborhoods so they can successfully revitalize their communities. We also provide policy support so that these neighborhoods and the people living in them have better opportunities for success. LISC builds sustainable communities by focusing on 6 key areas. We expand capital investment in housing and real estate. We help increase family income and assets. We focus on stimulating economic development, as well as improving access to quality education. We support healthy environments and lifestyles, and we grow neighborhood leaders and community engagement. LISC's short-term objectives aim to attract attention to and investment in the good work happening in Houston's neighborhoods. We know that revitalization is a long-term investment, typically 10 years or more. However, significant accomplishments can occur in only a few years. These successes catalyze the next phase of community development. We know we've achieved our objectives when community leaders can weather any challenge and advocate for larger, more gradual transformation. LISC leverages relationships. We invest in connections and require connectivity from our partners. We look for ways to connect people to each other and to the work of community revitalization in neighborhoods. Another leverage point is our ability to bring early money or seed money funding to projects. Early dollars attract other capital investments. Additionally, Houston LISC staff are based in Houston. We are genuine hometown partners with access to nationally recognized expertise and resources. Also, LISC recognizes, invests in, and supports the integrated nature of neighborhoods. We know that affordable housing alone cannot pull people from poverty. It takes financial stability and a sustainable growing neighborhood. LISC's approach works to help people create such great neighborhoods. Houston LISC is effective for a number of reasons. We focus on relationships at many levels. Our relationship with organizations, the relationships that are created between partners with whom we work, the relationship between public and private institutions. Houston LISC is a learning organization, always looking to deepen our knowledge of best practices and helpful ways to do our work. Our partners join in this learning too. We work toward better data by measuring efforts and documenting outcomes. We make sure efforts are aligned and focused on accountability to ourselves and others. We monitor our level of financial investment and how many dollars are being leveraged to create a bigger impact. Some tangible metrics are in our real estate investment, the number of new homes available to families, how much new shopping and service space is available in a neighborhood, and the number of students served through new charter school buildings. In our community engagement work, we watch for leadership and participation growth over time. In our financial opportunity centers, we monitor increases in clients' net income, net worth, and their credit scores. Our role is often not obvious. We tend to highlight the very tangible results of our efforts and bring attention to our partners' roles in community development. We think of ourselves as a backbone organization, providing a framework and support to our partners who are actually doing the work on the ground. This work is their vision. They set priorities and agree on how to tackle projects, and we bring resources, money, partnerships, expertise, and best practices to help make the work go faster and farther. LISC and our affiliates have invested more than $187 million in Houston programs and real estate projects. More than $353 million have been leveraged. This investment has created more than 6,500 affordable homes and 1.3 million square feet of commercial and community space. In addition, over 700 people have secured jobs in just a few years through our financial opportunity centers. These numbers demonstrate the success that comes with using a comprehensive approach, but they don't tell the complete story. Our accomplishments also include fostering the growth of community organizations and the development of community leadership that can continue to envision and create the changes required to make their neighborhoods strong and sustainable. The Local Initiative Support Corporation of Houston faced difficult times a few years ago when we wrestled with the decision of whether to solely focus on real estate or to embrace the comprehensive community development approach. This tough decision was on the heels of financial and relevancy challenges in our local program site. Since then, we've demonstrated that comprehensive community development works, and we've restored our financial health. Because of these learning experiences, we've engaged more neighborhood organizations, funders, and private and public sector partners in our work. Houston LISC can now focus on our strategies and opportunities for better impact and growth. As the fourth largest city in the country, we have many neighborhoods where LISC's work can make a difference. Additional resources would allow us to expand and partner with more community leaders to find solutions. We would implement our Go Neighborhoods program in more communities that demonstrate readiness, as well as use funds to assist us in preserving affordable housing options near employment and transit. Also, more funding would allow us to expand our Financial Opportunity Center network, a critical component in helping more people get jobs, increase their income, and achieve financial stability. Houston LISC would like to engage more deeply in what is often referred to as systems change work. We see opportunities for processes and partners to work together more smoothly. For instance, looking at the availability of good housing choices for people at all income levels, we find there are many organizations and agencies playing a role in addressing the issue. Is each group sure that the resources and priorities are aligned so that the needs are being addressed? Are they all aware of each other and all that has been learned? As a convening partner, LISC can use what we have learned in a few neighborhoods to engage in conversations and problem solving so we can all work more effectively and efficiently in delivering quality housing.